My name is Mark O'Brien, and I'm from Luo Folklore YouTube channel. May you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Thank you. My name is Ambrose Chan. I am the project manager of this construction.
Thank you, Mr. Ambrose. We have seen quite a significant progress in this work. May you tell the people the background of this project?
Yeah, thank you. This project was started by the parents of Archbishop Flynn Secondary School in 2014. So far, they have constructed 3 staff houses. The last one was completed this year, 2023. The funds are from the parents, and the method of construction adopted here is a labor-based construction, where the school get the materials, and we look for the technical people from outside to come and give in their labor.
Thank you very much. Now, I've seen these houses look quite nice and seems to be very strong. May you let the people know the number of families that these structures can harbor?
Yeah, as you can see by the design, these houses are 2-family houses. So at the moment we have constructed this same unit, 2 of them, and then we have constructed a 4-family unit, which is lattice. So which means we have a total of 6 families already accommodated within the building. Thank you.
Now, how in most cases there are many parents in northern Uganda schools find it hard to contribute money to school development projects, especially when the money seems to be a little bit higher. How did the school convince the parents to take up these struggles so that maybe some other people also take the example from Archbishop Flynn?
Yeah, it was the initiative of the parents themselves, actually. By what we normally do, we don't construct the house at once. We do it partly.
In phases?
Stages, in phases, actually. So we have been moving in phases until we are able to achieve this kind of construction. We put it like in 4 phases. So I'll find that we are able to give the little and do 1 phase. So that is how we have been going.
Now, lastly, something which is, we don't know whether it is technical or is part of the design. May you let the people know, we have seen the color of the roofs are all green. We don't know what is the significance of the choice.
Yeah, the choice is based on the background of the area. Actually, the entire background fits the color of the roof better than the others. So we have chosen the color because of the background of the place. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
The paint on the walls, all those.
The sunshine. Thank you very much. It has been nice interviewing you. Nice time.
Leche no quiero llorar yo calla, guano cuero ba. No tu ama kiri ki poema.